How you feel about the McKinley fights?
McKinley fights? I mean, the women fights are fucking ass. But if two dudes really get the thumping, I'm there. Haley's fight, I dove over 3 people to see the front row seat.
Valid. Whose ass can you beat in this room?
Him. I don't know about him. You be fucking shadow boxing on YouTube for fun.
Now, real question. Do you watch 100K Mirror?
100K man? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I'll make sure Mirror.
What are we doing today, Alex?
We're doing some welding.
I paint the town red, I'm trying to kill something. Bro, just sold 1,000 grams of raw, call that real dumping. You playing with that 50 ball, I got a real 100. Beat your bitch down on perk 10s, I got her pill. I said, bitch, you crackhead, her ass fast, she making milk money. And I don't fuck her.
Do you watch 100K Mirror on YouTube?
No.
You're a bitch.
Go ice like how you kill son and get that one drop and got a Drake, I'm out the whip. Dumped the bad backing with my white boy, this nigga fist pump. Bitch, like how you mad because your bitch fucking. She said, fuck you, she fuck with me cause I'm a rich fuck. I said, bro, just be the case for defense, I'm off the hip. I said, chain hitting, wine rose the kid, look at my wrist bust.
Neck bustin', sleepy wrist. All I gotta do is call my shooters, they gon' drill some. I'm quick to beat a bitch up like she stole my Daddy yelling Alexander, bitch I'm real up, so up. Man, these bitches ain't got no fun. Shooters in the back masked up with a lot of guns. Damn, nigga.
Welding's over. Interview about automotive. How do you like automotive class?
It's boring as fuck.
Hi. Why is it boring?
We don't be doing shit. We've only had 2 assignments.
Like automotive.
Automotive, it has automotive stuff.
It's boring as fuck.
Is it cool?
It is quite delectable, I think.
How do you like automotive class?
Fire.
Is it fire?
Get fried.
Valid. On this.
And I smacked the vaporizer with Bryce. And we nut on these wood blocks.
Anyway.
And we sand them.
Arliss, how do you like automotive class?
It's tragic.
We're about to
it's
cut
paddock.
Semi-automatic?
Yep.
Oh.
Basically, I jerk off the wood blocks and I nut in John.
I'll see you in a minute anyways.